窗外的路灯慢慢地暗了。
微笑诊所的小病号，美乐蒂、库洛米与大耳狗。
Little patients at the Smile Clinic, Melody, Hiromi, and Cinnamoroll. Melody felt weak all over because she caught a cold.
美乐蒂因为感冒
Cold.
感到全身没力气，
Melody felt weak all over because she caught a cold. She kept sneezing at Dr. Story Cat until her nose turned red.
她对着故事猫医生连打了好几个喷嚏，
Sneezing.
鼻子都红了。
She kept sneezing at Dr. Story Cat until her nose turned red. Doctor, I have a runny nose and I feel dizzy, Melody said.
医生，我一直流鼻涕，
Runny nose.
还有点头晕。
Dizzy.
美乐蒂说，
Doctor, I have a runny nose and I feel dizzy, Melody said. You have the chills, which might be a sign of a fever, said the doctor.
你有点畏寒，
Chills.
可能是发烧
Fever.
的前兆。医生说，
You have the chills, which might be a sign of a fever, said the doctor. Hiromi interrupted, My sore throat is killing me.
库洛米插话，我的喉咙痛
Sore throat.
得要命。
Hiromi interrupted, My sore throat is killing me. Hiromi was coughing so hard that her voice sounded very hoarse.
库洛米还一边咳嗽，
Coughing.
声音听起来非常沙哑。
Hiromi was coughing so hard that her voice sounded very hoarse. Your tonsils are inflamed, and that is causing your headache, said the doctor.
你的扁桃腺
Tonsils.
发炎
Inflamed.
了，所以才会头痛。
Headache.
医生说，
Your tonsils are inflamed, and that is causing your headache, said the doctor. Nasal congestion is making it hard to sleep. You must get some rest.
鼻塞
Nasal congestion.
让你睡不好，你一定要多休息。
Rest. Nasal congestion is making it hard to sleep. You must get some rest. Suddenly, Nurse Dumpling Sheep walked in with Cinnamoroll.
突然，水饺羊护士扶着大耳狗走进来。
Suddenly, Nurse Dumpling Sheep walked in with Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll fell down from his bike and had a deep wound on his knee.
大耳狗骑车摔倒，膝盖有一个很深的伤口。
Wound. Cinnamoroll fell down from his bike and had a deep wound on his knee. His knee was bleeding because of a nasty scrape.
他的膝盖因为擦伤
Scrap.
正在流血。
Bleeding. His knee was bleeding because of a nasty scrape. Don't be afraid. I will disinfect the area first, said the nurse.
别怕，我先帮你消毒。
Disinfect.
护士说，
Don't be afraid. I will disinfect the area first, said the nurse. Will the medicine sting? Cinnamoroll asked while shrinking back.
药水擦上去会刺痛
Sting.
吗？大耳狗缩了一下，问道。
Will the medicine sting? Cinnamoroll asked while shrinking back. A little, but we must prevent an infection, the nurse explained.
有一点，但我们必须防止感染。
Infection.
护士解释，
A little, but we must prevent an infection, the nurse explained. I think I also have a sprain in my ankle, Cinnamoroll added.
我想我的脚踝也扭伤
Sprain.
了。大耳狗补充说，
I think I also have a sprain in my ankle, Cinnamoroll added. The nurse used a cold compress and wrapped it with a bandage.
护士使用了冰敷，
Cold compress.
并用绷带
Bandage.
缠起来。
The nurse used a cold compress and wrapped it with a bandage. I feel nauseous after hitting my stomach, said Cinnamoroll.
撞到肚子后，我觉得好恶心，想吐。
Nauseous.
大耳狗说，
I feel nauseous after hitting my stomach, said Cinnamoroll. Are you going to vomit? I'll get a basin, Hiromi cried.
你要呕吐
Vomit.
了吗？我快去拿脸盆。库洛米大喊。
Are you going to vomit? I'll get a basin, Hiromi cried. It is just a stomach upset from the shock, Dr. Story Cat said.
这只是惊吓过度引起的胃部不适。
Stomach upset.
医生说，
It is just a stomach upset from the shock, Dr. Story Cat said. All three friends looked a bit sad in the clinic.
诊所里3个好朋友都显得有点垂头丧气。
All three friends looked a bit sad in the clinic. The doctor handed some ointment to the nurse for Cinnamoroll.
医生拿出了药膏，
Ointment.
交给护士帮大耳狗擦药。
The doctor handed some ointment to the nurse for Cinnamoroll. Remember to keep it dry and avoid water, the nurse reminded him.
记得保持干燥，
Keep it dry.
伤口不要碰到水。 护士提醒。
Remember to keep it dry and avoid water, the nurse reminded him. And Melody, remember to take medicine on time, the doctor added.
还有美乐蒂，记得按时服药。
Take medicine.
医生补充。
And Melody, remember to take medicine on time, the doctor added. Kuromi prepared to fight her allergy and inflammation.
库洛米准备好对抗他的过敏
Allergy.
与发炎。
Kuromi prepared to fight her allergy and inflammation. They sat together and shared how they felt being sick.
他们坐在一起分享彼此生病
Sick.
的感觉。
They sat together and shared how they felt being sick. We should drink more water to boost our immunity, Melody said.
我们应该多喝水来增加抵抗力、免疫力。
Immunity.
美乐蒂说。
We should drink more water to boost our immunity, Melody said. Next time, wear protective gear when cycling, Kuromi suggested.
下次骑车要带护具了，库洛米建议。
Next time, wear protective gear when cycling, Kuromi suggested. I will be more careful from now on, Cinnamoroll promised.
我以后会更小心的，大耳狗承诺。
I will be more careful from now on, Cinnamoroll promised. The nurse gave them vitamin candies for being so brave.
水饺羊护士给了大家维他命糖果，奖励他们的勇敢。
The nurse gave them vitamin candies for being so brave. I'm glad to see you all feeling better, Dr. Storycat smiled.
看到你们感觉好多了，我就放心了。医生微笑着说。
I'm glad to see you all feeling better, Dr. Storycat smiled. After the diagnosis, their symptoms were much relieved.
经过诊断，
Diagnosis.
大家的症状
Symptoms.
都缓解了许多。
After the diagnosis, their symptoms were much relieved. The clinic felt warm and the pain didn't seem so scary anymore.
诊所感觉很温馨，病痛似乎也不再那么可怕了。
The clinic felt warm and the pain didn't seem so scary anymore. They lined up to get their prescriptions from the pharmacy.
他们排队去药局领取他们的处方。
Prescriptions. They lined up to get their prescriptions from the pharmacy. They waved goodbye to Dr. Storycat and Nurse Dumpling Sheep.
他们向故事猫医生与水饺羊护士挥手告别。
They waved goodbye to Dr. Storycat and Nurse Dumpling Sheep. Thank you. We will sleep well and recover soon, they shouted.
谢谢，我们会好好睡觉，早日康复
Recover.
的。他们大喊。
Thank you. We will sleep well and recover soon, they shouted.
窗外的路灯慢慢地暗了，膝盖上的贴布像记号一样。今天故事有点长，有点累了，我们坐在沙发，呼吸都很慢，没关系，休息一下就好，让所有不舒服留在昨天。窗台上的光温柔地变了，把药水还有担心慢慢收好，闭上眼睛，晚安，明天会更好的，我们会好的，就这样睡吧。